Hi, welcome to Biochemist Hope. Today we are going to discuss on amino acids. What are amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. They are organic molecules that contain an amino group, a carboxylic group, and a side chain. The side chain, that is the R group, is different for each amino acid and determines its chemical properties. There are 20 different amino acids that are found in proteins, which are alanine, cysteine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, phenylalanine, glycine, histidine, isoleucine, lysine, leucine, methionine, asparagine, proline, glutamine, arginine, serine, threonine, tryptophan, tyrosine, and valine. There are three ways to represent these amino acids. It's either you write their full name or three-letter name. Example, alanine, the three-letter name is ALA, arginine is ARG, glutamine is GLN. Then we have they can be represented symbol letter, alphabet letters, but single. For the case of alanine, the symbol is A, arginine is R, asparagine is N, aspartic acid is D. As we can see, the three-letter name and the symbol are coined from the name of the amino acids, but not all. For instance, alanine, the three-letter name is from the name of the amino acid, ALA, and the symbol is A because the amino acid starts with A. Arginine is ARG, but the symbol is R. So you can see that arginine does not start with R, but letter is used to represent it. So we have a lot of them like that. For example, if you look at lysine, the three letter is LYS, which follow the name of the amino acid. But if you look at the symbol, is K, and we don't even have K in the name at all. You have to be very careful while learning three letter and the symbol. Now let us discuss some of the properties of amino acids. Amino acids are colorless, crystalline solid. All amino acids have high melting point greater than 200 degrees Celsius. Amino acids are soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, and dissolve with difficulty in methanol, ethanol, and propanol. Amino acids decompose when they are heated at high temperature. All amino acids are optically active. Now, what are the chemical properties of amino acids? Number one, deuterionic property. A deuterion is a molecule with functional groups, of which at least one has a positive and one has a negative electrical charge. The net charge of the entire molecule is zero. Amino acids, the best known example of deuterions. They contain an amine group that is basic and carboxylic group that is acidic. The amine group is the stronger base, and so it picks up proton from the carboxylic group to leave a deuterion. The neutral, the deuterion is the usual form of amino acid that exists in the solution. Number two, the second property is amphoteric property. Amino acids are amphoteric in nature, that is, they act as both acid and base due to the two amine and carboxylic group present. Number three is anhydrine test. When 1 ml of anhydrine solution is added to 1 ml protein solution and heated, the formation of violet color indicates the presence of amino acids. Xanthoprotic test. The xanthoprotic test is performed for the detection of aromatic amino acid. They are tyrosine, tryptophan, and phenylalanine in a protein solution. The nitration of benzoid radicals present in the amino acid chain occur due to reaction with nitric acid giving the solution yellow coloration. Reaction with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid reacts with amino group to liberate nitrogen and form the corresponding hydroxyl. Now, let us discuss about the structure of amino acids. All 20 of the common amino acids are alpha amino acids. They contain a carboxylic group, an amino group, and a side chain, that is the R group. all attached to the alpha carbon. As you can see, the alpha carbon is at the center, in which amino group and the hydrogen, the carboxyl group and the side chain or the R group attached to it. Not all amino acid side chain. For example, glycine, it does not have a side chain. Its alpha carbon contains two hydrogens. Now, let us move to the classification of amino acids. Amino acids are classified based on the following. Number one, on the basis of R group. Number two is on the basis of nutrition. Number three is on the basis of the metabolic fate. Now, let us start with the first one, on the basis of R group. On the basis of R group, amino acids are classified into non-polar aliphatic amino acids. The R groups in this class of amino acids are non-polar and hydrophobic. Example is glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, proline. The second classification under R group is aromatic amino acid. Example, phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan with their aromatic side chains are relatively nonpolar, hydrophobic. The third classification under R group, polar uncharged amino acids. The R group of these amino acids are more soluble in water or more hydrophilic than those of the non-polar amino acids because they contain functional groups that form hydrogen bonds with water. This class of amino acids includes serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, and glutamine. The fourth classification under R group is acid amino acids. Amino acids in which R group is acidic or negatively charged acidic amino acids. Example are glutamic acid and aspartic acid. The last part is basic amino acids. Amino acids in which R group is basic or positively charged are called basic amino acids. Example, lysine, arginine, and histidine. Amino acids can also be classified based on nutrition. We have essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Now, let us discuss essential amino acids. 9 amino acids cannot be synthesized in the body and therefore must be present in the diet in order for protein synthesis to occur. These essential amino acids are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. They are essential because our body cannot produce them. Then the non-essential amino acids can be synthesized in the body itself and hence do not necessarily need to be acquired through diet. These non-essential amino acids are arginine, glutamine, tyrosine, cysteine, glycine, proline, serine, ornithine, alanine, asparagine, and aspartate. The next classification based on metabolic fate, that is, when these amino acids are metabolized, where will they go? Based on metabolites, amino acid can be classified into glucogenic amino acids, ketogenic amino acids, and both glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids. Let's start with the glucogenic amino acids. These are amino acids as precursors of gluconeogenesis for glucose formation. Glycine, alanine, serine, aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamine acid, glutamic acid, glutamine, proline, valine, methionine, cysteine, histidine, and arginine. These are amino acids that lead to formation of glucose. Then ketogenic amino acids. These amino acids break down to form ketone bodies. The members are leucine and lysine. The third classification under metabolic fate is both glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids. These amino acids break down to form precursors for both ketogenic bodies, both ketone bodies, and glucose. Examples: isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosine. Now, let us briefly discuss functions of amino acids. The 20 amino acids are very important for life as they contain peptide and proteins and are known to be the building blocks of all living things. Thank you for watching.